Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You jump straight into the correct Roblox game that actually drops the game console backpack. Do not search elsewhere. Once in, make sure you have any event pass or required account permissions because many drops require eligibility. Move directly to the event spawn or hub. This is where the first tokens appear. While you run there, check the in-game UI for active objectives. Completing a single short objective commonly unlocks the pickup. Be fast. Server population matters. Once you arrive, you must focus on the specific task that actually grants the backpack token. This is usually a timed minute challenge, item collection, or single target encounter. You should learn the optimal route and use sprint or boosts to shave seconds, because many players compete for the same drop. After completing the objective, claim the reward immediately from the prompt or NPC. Delays can cause the item to despawn or be picked up by others. Make sure to open your inventory and equip it right away. Now equip the game console backpack from inventory under accessories. You should see it listed as a backpack item. Equip and verify visually on your avatar. If it's missing, first check trade offers, gifts, or glitchy inventory sync. Sometimes a relog fixes it. If that fails, return to the same game and repeat the event run. This method is the only reliable route to obtain the drop. Quick troubleshooting. Relog, clear cache, and attempt the event in a low-lag server to avoid lost pickup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.